Yes, more life and more joy and a more happiness. Me want touch a good news because it appears that all the news will come out of my island them will put you in a bad mood and give you the blows. So me want touch something nice and decent because it seems like me Jamaicans are having a decent time in this Gold Cup qualify. Now it appears that Jamaican Reggae Boyz have put on a decent showing because they are tied, of course, with United States in the first outing and the second with Trinidad day one. And it appears that them run up on St Kitts and give them a shellacking. Jamaica has completed an unbeaten campaign in Group A for 2023. The Concacaf Gold Cup with the commanding 5-0 victory versus St Kitts, who no should have beat the United States. False. Now the 5-0 win against St Kitts and Nevis on Sunday afternoon at the Levi Stadium in Santa Clara, California. This result, the Reggae Boy finished second in the group with a 2 win and a 1 draw, no loss record, clinching a berth in the quarterfinals, and will face the first place team from the D group next Sunday at TQL Stadium in Cincinnati, Ohio. The first half of this game was full of chances for Jamaica, mostly come from the series of deep crosses, but with no end product, as the St Kitts and Nevis defense did well staying in the compact, maintaining their line. The Reggae Boyz broke the deadlock right from before 30-minute mark as a deep cross from Leon Bailey reached Kaheem Parris, who tried to play back across goal, only for St Kitts and Nevis keeper Julani Archibald to deflect the ball over the line for a 1-0 Jamaica lead. Jamaica then added a second right from the break to double their advantage as Bailey played a slick backheel to Jonathan Russell, whose right-footed finish and beat Archibald 2-0 lead. The momentum stayed with Jamaica, and soon it was 3-0 and a tidy finish from Deshaun Bernard after passing from Shamar Nicholson in the 49th minute. The St. Kitts and Nevis did get a pair of goal look at goal during the contest from Romain Suarez, one in each half, but the Sugar Boys attack players were unable to convert. Jamaica keep their foot on the gas and quickly tacked on another 2 goals and make it 5-0 lead. Daniel Johnson fired in one of his 72nd minute after an initial block by a substitute goalkeeper Jamal Jeffries, followed by a good finish from the Corey Burke in the 74th minute. From there, the Jamaican defense saw this out the rest of the way and nailed down the St. Kitts and Nevis side permanently. This victory has propelled Jamaica to the next round, and we're looking good. Looking good. If we had not missed that penalty against the United States, we would be undefeated. Leon Bailey, we are looking for something special from you, General, because you dash with a one day fairway. Yeah, you dash with a one day fairway. Now, we want to continue on with some news out of Jamaica. Now, with the sports events, it's an unfortunate